Hello everyone, and welcome back. Alright, well I reached into the locks again that Lockbuster sent me, because he did send me a lot of really awesome locks. But anyways, I grabbed this cross, EU I guess, I don't know exactly what that means. But it is a 6-pin Euro, and it does have a Yale Y1 keyway, so it does have a pretty paracentric keyway here. But I did already get into this lock once. Well, because it is a Yale, and sometimes I have trouble with them. But I did get into it once, and I'm going to try to get into it again for you guys, and we will open it up and see what's inside of it. And that is the bidding on the key, so it does have a pretty challenging bidding on it too. So, but let's see if we get into it again, and well, we'll open it up, and we will see what is inside this lock. I believe it's just another stock lock. But let's give it a shot. Alright, I'm going to go to the bottom of the keyway because we're going to be working off this ledge here. And I'm going to grab kind of a, well, very thin shaft here. Kind of a short hook, I guess. Let's see what we got here. Alright, I think I just snuck underneath 5. Okay, got a click out of him. Well, that 6-pin is low. Right, I got a click out of it. Okay, I think I just got a click out of 2. This is pin 3. Little counter rotation. If I could get him. Okay, I think I got a little click from him. Okay, I just dropped something. That was pin 5 that I dropped. Okay, I think I got him back. Let's restart. Alright. Okay, that's pin 5 again. See if we get him. That was pin 3. Okay, we got a pretty good false set, and I believe that was off of 3 again. I can't get under the I think I need to go with a shorter hook. I'm having trouble getting underneath that pin 6. We got some counter off of it. Let's see if we can get him. Some pretty deep counter. Okay, I think I got him. Counter right here, I think that's pin 3. Okay, we lost that false set. Okay, I got that back. Counter right here on 4. And we're open on 4. Alright. Just dropped my tension wrench. Got a little excited there, I guess. Alright, let's see what's inside this cross. Alright, let me zoom us back out. Let me move that. Move my stuff a little bit here. Fix the camera a little bit. Grab my pinning tray. And I believe it's being occupied, so I am going to grab this little one. Alright, let me see here. I'm gonna get my tweezers. Alright. Let's lock it back up and see if we get this clip off of here. Another one of these clips that go all the way around the whole lock again. Let's see if we can spread that out a little bit. Yep, maybe a little bit more. Alright, I'll have to fix that like we always do. They're pretty flexible. Alright, let's see what is inside this lock. We got a nice deep ledge there, so we are going to have to shim that. And I wish I grabbed my longer shims. Where are they? Hold on one second, guys. Let me see here. There we go. I got some new shims in here. Grab a new one. We have some. Okay, there we go. All right. Grab the follower. And here we go. I probably have all standards down here below, but let's see. Standard. Standard. Now let me flip this around the right way. Standard. Standard. Standard and a standard. And there's nothing done here in the core. And let's see what we have up here though. I know we have some spools at least. Okay, a standard in 1. Spool in 2. Standard in 3. Spool in 4. Standard in 5. And another spool in 6. And I'm sure all the springs are all the same. Nothing done up there. Alright, well that's what we have in this cross. Give you a little bit of a close-up here. Alright, well, we can see that we do have all standards for key pins. Then we have a standard in 1, a spool in 2, a standard in 3, a spool in 4, standard in 5, and another spool in 6. Another awesome lock from Lockbuster. Again, thank you very much, my friend, for all the awesome locks. I can't wait to get into some more of them. But yeah, guys, alright, there you go. Well, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks, guys. Bye.